Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
So Kate, turning to weather, things looking good now, but I guess we better enjoy it while we can.
Yeah, we got to enjoy today and tomorrow, Jim, and then everything kind of goes downhill again. But the good news is if we get the ugly weather over with during the week, we may be sitting pretty for the Memorial Day weekend. So let's start off with the good stuff. We'll look outside the windows of our Next Weather Sphere. I think you're going to like it. It looks beautiful. Get outside and enjoy the day. It's sunny, it's dry, and it is mild today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. It's a bit of a crisp start, and you'll notice that tomorrow as well. A little backdoor front coming through tonight into tomorrow. It's going to usher in a cooler breeze, and tonight many spots may drop into the 40s, upper 40s overnight. But look at this day, starting off your week on a really nice note on Monday, but the sun streaming into the windows makes it a little easier to get up and get moving. Rittenhouse Square looks great, the sun through the trees there. Ocean City looking good as well. Cape May, the camera just panned up on us, but looks good, nice and blue skies there. And as we look at Bethlehem, sunshine for the Lehigh Valley. Temperature wise, we're in the low 60s. You can kind of see those winds though. It is a little breezy already, and it's going to be a breezy afternoon, similar to yesterday, maybe not quite as blustery, but gusts to 20-25 miles an hour. But starting off right around the 60-degree mark, now that the sun is fully shining, we're going to warm up rapidly. 76 degrees, mostly sunny, breezy, mild today. There's that wind, gust to 25 miles an hour. It'll be a little breezy tonight. Now, I got to tell you, if it weren't going to be breezy, if the winds died down and it was a calm night, we'd be even colder than this. I think we dropped to about 50 in the city, 40s across the suburbs. Winds could still gust to 20 miles an hour. Sunset, by the way, 8:12, and sunrise tomorrow, 5:41. These days getting longer and longer as we head toward the summer solstice, which is in just about a month from now. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, beautiful day. Cooler start, so maybe a little bit cooler in the afternoon, but still sunny and beautiful. Enjoy it while it's here. This next system is going to cause some problems. The rain that you see over the Dakotas and moving into Minnesota and Iowa this morning, that is going to be moving eastward eventually and kind of developing into a new low that'll bring us rain and heavy rain in spots by Wednesday morning. So today, nothing but a few fair weather cumulus clouds this afternoon. Tomorrow starts off bright and sunny, cool and crisp, not as breezy in the afternoon. You'll see a few clouds try to filter in up across the Poconos tomorrow, but it is dry for most of the day. And then it all changes. By 6 o'clock Wednesday morning, we're back in the rain. It looks like a slow morning commute here. Periods of rain. You can see pockets of heavy rain as well, the yellow and orange shading. I think the heaviest is through the morning commute on Wednesday. Look at this, right up and down I-95, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and then we still have heavy rain through at least midday on Wednesday before this batch starts to move out. And it should dry out at least a little bit for the evening drive, maybe still some lingering puddles, maybe still some showers. Our next system, right on its heels, basically, a secondary disturbance comes in overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning, bringing yet another round of rain that may impact your Thursday morning commute. So these two waves of low pressure will bring upwards of an additional inch of rain to the area, and we don't really need it because last week was so wet. Look at these numbers. We picked up over an inch of rain both Wednesday and Friday of last week. We've now gotten almost 3.5 inches of rain so far in the month of May, and we're only about halfway through. That is well above average and more to add to that. If you're looking for some brighter news, though, let's take a look at the Memorial Day weekend down the shore and in the Poconos. We've got sunshine and slightly milder conditions. Each day gets a little bit warmer, especially in the Poconos, and same story here in Philadelphia. So we'll get these ugly days out of the way. The rain moves out. We brighten up on Friday, and then it's a pretty nice holiday weekend. Looks pretty good for Memorial Day as of now as well.